That's one reason I could kind of claim possibly the idea of forefather of AI is because
you're an OG.
I mean, kind of directly. My background is I'm a scientist and I was studying remote sensing. I was studying medical imaging at the Mayo Clinic, and I encountered Python and trying to solve my problems. I was doing large scale science analysis and I needed language to help me do that. And I found Python and I started to contribute to Python. So I started to do a lot of just writing code, sharing that code on the internet, collaborating with people all over the world. And then kind of that grew into involvement in open source. So that grew in to a project called SciPy. And SciPy became the foundation of a lot of science. So a lot of people in the world out there know about SciPy. A lot of scientists know about SciPy and they used it. And then that led to a library called NumPy, which I wrote when I was a professor.
Okay,
I wrote this
spell
NumPy
that for
library.
everybody.
So NumPy is NUMPY.
Okay.
So it's the foundation of array computing in Python. So that's one reason I could kind of claim possibly the idea of forefather of AI is because
you're an OG.
The OG is because I've been doing AI-like experiments ever since I was a researcher.
Right.
Because AI is a model building. You're trying to figure out how to build a model and get information from data. Modern neural networks were one of the possibilities that we used all the way back then. And people were trying to figure out how to have scientists do it because there's a lot of orchestration of computing, orchestration of code. It's a lot of work.
Right.
And so a lot of what we were doing is making that work of putting all the stuff together to make something useful easier.
Right.
And that's basically been the journey I've been on for a long time, is helping scientists do their job easier. So in fact, writing NumPy led me out of the world of academia into the world of business. But what did it first was in the world of open source. So I became this open source enthusiast working hard with a lot of people, building a lot of tools, a whole ecosystem of people. I often say that, me and my closest 1,000 friends kind of took over science. And a lot of scientists went from using various tools, using open source tools around Python to publish papers, to do research. So I've had a chance to talk to people that found the black holes, that found the Higgs boson. Like a lot of them have been using tools in this ecosystem.
Right.
Many of my friends have been building for 30 years.